Welcome to Little Feather Workshop, where form meets function. Today we are sharpening the knife that we finished in our last video. The first thing I have to do is soak my wet stones in water. You can see the bubbles coming out as water goes in. This allows the edge of the blade to flow nice and smoothly on the stone. To begin sharpening, I start by running a small stream of water on my stones and begin on the 400 grit. You can see as I rock the knife back and forth to find optimal edge and lock my hands in that position as I begin to scrape back and forth. This will at first feel gritty, like you're moving on top of sand. However, as you complete each side, it will begin to feel more and more smooth, and when it reaches maximum smoothness, you are ready to go up a grit. From the 400, I go up to 1,000 grit. From 1,000, I go up to 3,000. From the 3,000 to the 8,000. At the end of it all, I strop it all on some leather to bring out that edge. Enjoy.